So we're gonna do like a birdhouse. It's gonna be like a montage though, just because I thought that'd be kind of fun. Already prepped one and tried it out right here. They're pretty simple. Nothing fancy about them. So for these tops, we're gonna just screw them in 3 spots. So at the end of the season or whenever we feel like it, we can take them off, clean them out, see what's going on in there. As well as I didn't put the same angle down low. That way these little gaps give some airflow. And they're not just hot boxing in there too hard. So just use some odds and ends hardware to hang those up, a couple different places. There's one up here. Just hanging out. The other 2 are in the backyard. Both of them so we can try to see them out there. Right in here, right under our patio. Hopefully we get stuff coming around. And the last one's up here. A little dark, but there you go. I hope you liked this birdhouse montage, I guess. Isn't that right?